Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Edelstein, Chief Medical Officer of Elsevier Clinical Solutions. We're here at HIMSS Asia Pacific 2015 with yet another Innovation Award winner. Very, very pleased to welcome the folks from KK Women's and Children's Hospital here in Singapore. So I remember, ladies, reading your submission, and there were so many great submissions, but yours really stuck out to me as a great project and a great success. But for those people who don't know about the project, why don't you tell us what led you to choose this project and what you did?
For this project, it's actually we are looking at a total implementation for the dispensing workflow for the pharmacy at the children's emergency, as well as our 24-hour women's clinic.
Now, your emergency room, this is an enormous women and children's hospital. There are over 800 beds, if I recall, and the emergency room is particularly busy. And therefore, if your pharmacy program isn't efficient, it might even be dangerous if something goes wrong. So what did you decide to do?
I think particularly we're looking at some objectives that we want to achieve. Okay, we are looking at improving our patient safety, improving waiting time during peak hours. We are pretty good with the average waiting time, but I think here we are aiming and targeting at those peak hour time.
To keep people from waiting so long to have their
right.
prescriptions filled.
That's right, yeah. We're also looking at making staff happy to achieve better staff satisfaction, especially during peak hours. The picking and packing of medicine is very laborious, and
yes.
staff finds it very routine.
Yes.
Okay? We also have looking at our patient experience. We want to improve the patient experience so they have better a patient experience with the hospital. Yes. And also we're also looking at things like maybe improve inventory or traceability of drugs in the event of any drug recall. Yeah, these are all very important, to the hospital, also to the reputation of the hospital as well.
Each of those alone could have been a whole project, but you chose to do them all together. So tell us what you did.
Okay. Basically, we were looking at the main component of our drugs, which is the bottle syrup. Okay, given that this is a children's hospital. Okay, of course, we do have other medications like those tablets or even blister pack medicines. Okay, but really, I think the essence of it is actually the bottled syrup.
The bottled syrup, the children's medications.
That's right. Yes, we did look at commercially or even internationally whether there were such solutions available in the market. But I think we sourced around. Unfortunately, there is no such solution. Yeah, so what we actually decided, we deliberated, I think the IT department, which is where I come from, and I work very closely with the pharmacy department. We deliberated. In the end, I think with the innovative ideas and brainstorming, we actually decided that, hey, we should develop our own product.
Do it yourself.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
To meet all those needs. And how long did this take to do, and what was the outcome?
Okay, I would say the conceptualization, the production of the machines, together with the design, collaborating with the partners, and then finally with the implementation, it takes us 1 year.
Took a year, and a lot of people involved. So what does the project show us? What do you do now, if you will? Tell us how you've made it safer and how you've increased the happiness of the employees and reduced the time. What is the actual mechanics? What's the mechanisms that you put in place?
Actually, majority of our prescriptions are bottled syrup. So
bottled syrups?
With the machine, we are able to automate almost 100% of the bottle packing. So that has resulted in a very high percentage of automation for the whole pharmacy.
Wow.
And, we have asked our staff for their feedback. They're generally very happy that the automation system has actually able to take over this their routine work.
So from the time the doctor writes that prescription to the time the bottled medication is given to the parent, that's almost 100% automated.
Yes.
So safer, doing the exact dosage and the exact amount.
Yes.
And it means your staff, your pharmacy staff, isn't doing the mixing and packaging and labeling.
Yes.
And has it reduced the wait times as well?
It has
Yes.
reduced the wait time during our peak
During your
hours.
peak hours.
Yes.
So you've hit all of your outcomes.
That's right.
So you're seeing a benefit in all the places you wanted to.
That's right.
Yes.
What was the most challenging part of succeeding with this project?
I think there are a few challenges. The first one is the tight timeline because we are given only about 2 years for the whole project from the time of sourcing a solution to the implementation. So the other big challenge is trying to develop a fully automated system. And as Serene has mentioned, there's no commercially available solution, so we have to develop from scratch. We have to work with many technological partners locally, with our GTech, which is a local automation company, with schools, Singapore Polytechnic, with A-Star, putting everyone's expertise together to develop this product. So this is the biggest challenge.
The first time is always the most difficult,
That's right, yes.
That's great. And do you believe that there's some return on investment that you've either seen already or going to in the near future in terms of financial savings, better use of your staff's time?
Actually, at the moment, so far, because we're just implemented for a few months, we managed to at least save 2 to 3 FTEs, which is about we're calculating about 8,760 man-hours a year.
That's significant.
Yeah, so the staff can actually, with the time saved, they can actually spend more time counseling our patients, building better rapport with our patients.
And tell me a little about the maintenance of the system. Does it take a lot now that it's running to keep it running smoothly and efficiently?
Actually, the system runs for 24 hours.
Wow.
Yes. I must say that we started out with the pilot of the system. We were very particular about the robustness of the system. So when we started, we did do very vigorous testing, and we actually put the system to a test. We started off with a 2-hour window, and then progressively increasing the window, and ultimately we do it on a 24-hour window. And I think since it has gone live on 18th of March, okay, we have been very good. I would say there's actually no downtime on the system.
Well, I think that was a very intelligent way to test it and roll it out. You were very patient. Well, again, congratulations, just terrific. And thank you for joining us here at HIMSS for the Elsevier HIMSS ICT Innovation Award. Good. We'll see you tonight at the awards ceremony. Thank you.